In this video we will discuss all kinds of punctuation and their uses in the text with examples. Punctuation.
According to the Cambridge Dictionary, the term punctuation is defined as special symbols that is used to add in writing to separate phrases and sentences to clarify their meanings. Following are the punctuation marks.
1. Capital letters A, B, C.
We use them, A, to begin a sentence. For example, we are Muslims, they eat chocolate. I love cricket. She goes to school. B, to begin each line of poetry.
For example, I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils.
C, to begin all proper nouns and adjectives derives from them.
For example, Pakistan, Pakistani, Lahore, Lahori, Punjab, Punjabi, etc. Punctuation. Use of full stop.
1. It represents the greatest pause and separation.
For example, he is my enemy. Don't walk barefooted.
2. It is also used in abbreviations. For example, BA, UNO, IMF, TV, etc.
Use of comma.
1. It represents the shortest pause and is used to separate series of words in the same construction.
For example, we shall visit London, Paris, California, and Amsterdam.
2. After a nominative absolute.
For example, my child, attend to my words.
3. After many connecting words.
For example, of course, indeed, in fact, at last, no doubt, such as, etc. Use of colon.
1. It is used to introduce a list.
For example, kindly supply these articles: bread, butter, cheese, and sugar.
2. To introduce an illustration.
For example, here we study these subjects: English, chemistry, physics, and English. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Use of semicolon.
1. It represents the pause of greater importance than that shown by the comma. It is used to mark off phrases.
For example, Adam was a brave, large-hearted man, and we all honored him. Use of inverted commas.
1. They are used to enclose quotation.
For example, Alex said, I am very tired. Jessica said, the party is on Monday. You like him. I sit in disbelief. Use of dash.
1. It is used to indicate an abrupt stop or change of thought.
For example, the American flag has 3 colors: red, white, and blue. If my son were alive, but why lament the past?
2. To resume a scattered subject.
For example, parents, siblings, relatives all deserted me at that time. Use of question mark.
It is used at the end of a direct question.
For example, what is your name? What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you from? Use of hyphen.
It is shorter line than dash and used to connect the parts of compound words.
For example, passerby, stepson, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, etc.
It is also used to connect parts of word divided at the end of a line. For example, honest, connected, feather, etc.
Use of apostrophe.
It is used to show the omission of a letters.
For example, can't, don't, I'll, I'm, doesn't, haven't, etc.
To show a possession.
For example, Eric's office, cat's paw, boy's father, Quade's vision.
To make the plural of figures or letters. For example, ABCs, facts, 1970s, 1850s, etc.
Exclamation mark.
It is used after interjections and after phrases, or sentence expressing sudden emotions.
For example, oh no, hurrah, bravo, what the hell, huzzah.
Ellipses.
These are represented by 3 dots or sometimes with 2 dashes having space between them as it shows an omission of words, represents a pause, or suggests there's something left unsaid.
Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.